This pandemic has taken over our lives, and it feels like life had to just suddenly pause. Bernice Johnson Regan once said, "Life's challenges are not supposed to paralyze you. They're supposed to help you discover who you are." So our sessions are a way to discover these abilities, skills, and new ideas. And the workshops teach us different ways to connect to people virtually and how to make a difference during these difficult times.
The Women's Leadership Academy is where we bring together young female leaders from across Southeast Asia, so from ASEAN as well as Timor-Leste, and we help to build their skills, whether it be empowering them as individuals. And of course, this was the 6th time we did it, but very first time that the Women's Leadership Academy went virtual. One thing that we've seen in terms of impact is really building the participants' confidence. It's encouraging them to get out there, to continue to be leaders in their communities, and also empowering them to rely on this network.
Hi, my name is Sophia Gani and I'm from Malaysia. Welcome to the 2nd episode of YSEALI TV. Over the past 2 weeks, participants from ASEAN and Timor-Leste came together to learn, collaborate, and network during the virtual Women's Leadership Academy. The sessions were a way of learning about our personal and professional development.
Like every time I attend the sessions, I always think to myself, man, this would have been so much better if we could just see each other face to face and actually ask these questions and have that human connection. But in the digital world, and with everything considered, I feel like the sessions have been really, really effective.
And these sessions are recorded, so the best thing about that is we can always review back, look through everything, and make the best out of it.
It's really cool that I get to connect with someone from Indonesia or Vietnam or Brunei or Cambodia while I'm here in the Philippines.
We continued with sessions that focused on individualized professional skill development, creating positive impact in the society through their businesses, building resilience during uncertain times, and the challenges and solutions to securing gender parity in ASEAN.
So it's really important that we enjoy the time that we're having, even when the work is hard.
Participants also learned about their leadership styles through group activities as well as personal reflection, explored the kind of leaders they want to be, and got connected with people from various countries. The week then continued with sessions welcoming experts, senior professionals, and leaders from a wide variety of backgrounds who took on the role of mentors and guided participants through small group discussions that help better address the challenges.
Despite everything that has been going on in the world today, we have remained resilient and hopeful by staying connected to one another through the YSEALI program. We look forward to the amazing things we will and be doing in our communities. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!